Welcome to Tahiti, the crown jewel of the South Pacific. This beautiful island paradise has been protected and preserved for thousands of years, and to this day, it remains a haven for the world's most beautiful flora and fauna. It is in Tahiti that the TeMana brand was born. The word TeMana comes from the Tahitian word mana, which is a sacred Polynesian concept that describes heavenly gifts and divine power. According to tradition, the gift of mana was bestowed upon people and also special places and objects. As you can see, mana still thrives in Tahiti. Mana has been preserved in the beautiful faces, the unspoiled lands, and the exquisite vistas of this magnificent island. Tahiti is truly one of the Earth's most perfect places. There grows on the island of Tahiti a very special fruit, one that perfectly embodies the concept of mana. This fruit, called noni, has been a cherished cornerstone of Polynesian culture for thousands of years, and yet has remained largely hidden from the rest of the world. It is a modest and frankly quite unappealing fruit. But within noni lies unimaginable power and beauty. The noni tree, known also by its scientific name, Morinda citrifolia, thrives in Tahiti's tropical climate. The noni trees of Tahiti and its surrounding islands are strong, healthy, and beautiful. The leaves are broad and dark. The fruit that hangs on their branches is plump and juicy with a vibrant green color. Tahitian noni is unquestionably the world's finest noni fruit. The secret to Tahiti's superior noni fruit lies in the land itself. In many ways, the islands of French Polynesia have been kept and preserved from the pollutants and toxins of the modern world. These islands are unspotted, clean, the air is fresh, the water is crystal clear, and the ground is thick with rich, nutritious volcanic soil. Noni trees are nurtured and fed by abundant rain and ample sunlight. Each tree is given space to grow in an environment that is totally unspoiled by man. In these conditions, noni grows plentifully and is harvested year-round. Noni truly is a miracle of nature. The positive effects of consuming noni have been well documented, but slightly less well known are the many benefits of using noni topically. Each individual element of noni, fruit, seed, and leaf, contains unique characteristics that condition, nourish, and illuminate the skin. Noni fruit juice is a skin cleanser. It refines the skin and washes away impurities. Noni leaf serum soothes and nourishes the skin. It works gently to even skin tone and quiet trouble spots. Noni seed extract is a conditioner that penetrates the thick layers of skin to provide deep, moisturizing benefits. It softens tough skin and provides a naturally bright tone. Each element of noni is special on its own, but when they are combined, they create a beautifully elegant skincare regimen that soothes and conditions the skin, greatly minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, softens age spots, and illuminates the skin's natural beauty. The TeMana brand Noni Brightening System combines each element of noni, fruit, seed, and leaf, in a simple yet sophisticated way to create a line of products that illuminate the skin's natural, beautiful glow. TeMana, the Earth's most powerful, beautiful gifts, are now within your reach.